Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio. What are the messages for you? Scorpio. You are waiting on something or for someone. Maybe you invested money in some businesses and waiting for the result. In relationship, you are waiting for someone. And judgment, you are going to be make some major decision in the month of May. Yeah. Maybe it's regarding your relationship, maybe it's regarding your life. Definitely there is some decision making. And Seven of Pentacles, there is some waiting period. So let's see your reading recent past, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. I think there is some juggling in your life. Right now you are juggling between head, your heart, and you are very caring and sharing person. But you are feeling stuck, you confused, you're juggling. Yes, lot of confusion in past, you are juggling and you're feeling stuck. For some, you are undergoing some awakening process also. The Hanged Man. Then present Eight of Wands, the Sun with Page of Wands. Maybe for some, you both have age differences between both of you. One person is very good looking in this connection. There is lots of communication is coming. Someone want to send a text message and there is lots of communication is coming back and forth. And there is some positive shift is coming because there is some happiness is coming. The Sun card is here. For some, children is also involved in this connection. Then future Seven of Wands, the Fool and Queen of Cups. You have very strong emotions towards this person. Future energy is also very good. You are very defensive. You are doing your work. You are very passionate towards your work. And you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. You are enjoying every moment in your life. But you are waiting on something. Maybe you are waiting for someone. Definitely they are coming back. There is some positive happiness, positive shift is coming because you have strong emotions towards this person and you are going to be make some major decision. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, are very less water energy. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Hierophant. So let's see their feelings. Scorpio. Two of Swords. Ace of Swords, Ten of Pentacles with Knight of Swords. Yes, communication. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. I think your person want to communicate with you. Right now, your person is at some crossroad. Two of Swords energy. Yes, they also have to make some decision, but they are confused. They are at some crossroads. Yes, they are very indecisive. And Ace of Swords, but they want to express their true feelings to you. Some truth coming out, some honest communication. And Ten of Pentacles, yes, right now your person thinking about stability in this relationship. And Knight of Swords, they are in rush to communicate with you. Definitely right now maybe they are at some crossroads, but very soon they will communicate with you. So let's see their intentions. Scorpio. Four of Pentacles, Five of Cups, the World with the Chariot. I think they are not expressing their true feelings to you because right now they are confused, but they are feeling sad if you are in separation with this person. If you are not in separation, definitely your person right now feeling sad for something because Five of Cups energy is here. And for some, you both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. This could be long distance relationship. So Chariot, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, but they are going to be make action, but it is very slow moving energy. Right now your person is in very slow moving, and Two of Wands, say a lot of thinking is going. Maybe for some your person have options, that's why they confused, they have to make decision, but definitely there is some action, but it is very slow moving. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, this person is very romantic. They have romantic feelings for you. And Five of Swords. Definitely there are some disturbances, some fightings between you and your person, Scorpio. And the moon, maybe they're manifesting you. A lot of illusions between you and your person. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. Yeah, definitely they're planning to come back, but they're in very slow moving energy. That's why you are waiting. They're missing you, right? Maybe they're realizing you both. That's why they are coming back. And Nine of Wands. The World. Right now you are guarded up, but thinking about them a lot. And Six of Swords. So there is some communication is coming to fix the things between both of you. But you are guarded up right now, Scorpio. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you, and some new cycles are going to be begin. Under the deck, Two of Swords with Ace of Wands. Definitely both are at some crossroads. You both are juggling. And Ace of Wands, but there is a lot of attraction and a passion between both of you. Still there is a lot of passion between both of you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Scorpio. Decision time. I always thinking about you. I want to be with you forever. Separation. I fantasize about you. So the messages are decision time. They always thinking about you. They want to be with you forever. For some, you both are in separation right now, and they are fantasizing about you a lot. And for some toxic person, maybe this person is very dominative. For some third party situation also involved, toxic person. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Scorpio. Step out of your comfort zone. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. And under the deck, a new romantic cycle is begin. Yeah, for some definitely a new moon in Libra especially. So let's see, step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, it's time and it's the message for you to step out of your comfort zone and do hard work consistently. And don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Maybe they will communicate with you, they will text you. Don't show your ego and attitude or pride. Maybe this will causing resistance in your relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.